Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add a radio player widget to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile, and then you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the new post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, on the other hand, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add the radio player widget to Blogger. So firstly go to a website like Elfsite or Common Ninja that offers radio player widgets. Follow the instructions to create a widget, of course, and once you create a widget, copy the embed code provided by the widget service. Then you need to go and click on the blog where you want to go and put it. Then when you're there, you can of course have the radio widgets, which you can go and then put in your of course blog. So you can go and put it in here in input tools. So sorry, not there. You just need to go back when you're here, go to settings, and then go to of course layout in the settings. And here you can go and add gadget and widget, as you can see. So basically you just need to go and choose the one that you of course want. So when you of course put the embed code and everything that you of course copied from the Elfsite or Common Ninja or whichever site you bought it, made it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.